questions. Choose the response that best answers each question. Number 8. Read the sentences from lines 9 through 11 in the poem. Game 1 zips by like a pronghorn antelope. What is the meaning of this simile? A. The game progressed very slowly. B. The game progressed very quickly. C. The game was played in the woods. Or D. The players experienced many injuries. Number 9. In line 35, the author uses the word buzzer at the end of the first game. What type of figurative language is the author using? A. Metaphor. B. Simile. C. Hyperbole. Or D. Onomatopoeia. Number 10. In line 19, the author italicizes the phrase, "get this," before the line 20, broken pinky toe. These phrases together convey to the reader a tone of A. disgust, B. anger, C. humor, or D. sadness. Number 11. Which of the following is an example of alliteration from the poem? A. Fast and Furious. B. High five their coach. C. Broken pinky. Or D. Player attacks. Number 12. The italicizing of the words "no problem" in lines 43 and 51 primarily serves to show A. The players are not listening to the coach. B. The confidence of the players on the team. C. The difficulty of the tournament. Or D. They will not make it to the next round. Number 13. Read lines 1 through 8 from the poem. Playing soccer is like never hitting pause on your favorite 90-minute movie, but futsal is like forward for 40 supercharged minutes. What is being compared in this phrase? A. Regular basketball is being compared with regular soccer. B. A regular soccer game is being compared with the intensity of futsal. C. Full-length movies are being compared with movie shorts. Or D. The batteries of a regular remote are being compared to a Roku remote. Number 14. Why does the author most likely include a description of the girls' team in lines 46 through 50 as, with their ponytails and matching pink shirts and socks carrying gym bags probably filled with glittered smartphones? A. It looks like the girls have better uniforms. B. It looks like the boys are jealous of the girls' uniforms. C. It looks like the girls will be on their phones. Or D. It looks like the girls will be easier to beat. Number 15. What is the significance of the headings? How do these phrases contribute to the tone of the poem? Cite specific textual evidence from the poem. Your answer.